Business idea, mobile phone, or gadget repair service in 3 minutes with Stratomia. The explanation in this video uses the business model canvas concept. If you're not familiar with this concept, please watch our 3-minute business model canvas video first. In general, the business model canvas has 9 business elements, 5 at the front and 4 at the back, which are typically less visible to customers or competitors. Let's start from your customer segment. They may include mobile phone users or computer or other electronic devices owners located around your business location, also maybe small, medium business companies who may need maintenance for their electronic equipment, among others. What you can offer to your customer segment, for example, attractive prices, fast service, repair services at the customer's location, work guarantees, free pickup and delivery services, longer operating hours, friendly service, and more. Sales channels can occur at your shop or the customer's location. It is also possible through your company website or social media, especially if you're also selling mobile phone, accessories, or other items. Your customer relationships may include asking for customer feedback, communicating via social media, or your website, advertisements or brochures, referrals, free promotional events for early customers, testimonials, and so on. Revenue streams apart from the repair services may also include training services related to customers' electronic equipment, sales of mobile phone accessories or other items, network or software installation services, upgrades, routine maintenance contracts, etc. Your key resources may include funds, your own experience or skills, reputation, skilled and trained staff, good employee retention to maintain your business competitiveness, well-maintained and sufficient equipment to support your business, shop location, and more. Key activities may include employee training, maintaining a clean workspace and shop, friendliness, good inventory management, and so on. Partners may include spare parts distributors, banks, investors, family or friends for financial support if needed, government agencies for training assistance, mobile phone manufacturers for training support, or similar business owners, among others. The final element, cost structure, may consist of salaries, partner commissions, such as Uber, Deliveroo, Gojek, legal costs, insurance, business establishment costs, and other costs related to the previous components mentioned. Thank you for watching this video. For more knowledge on the mobile phone repair business idea, please visit stratomia.com, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel too.